Hey guys, so today I'm going to share with you the Causebox. Looks like this. I did open it already just because I couldn't remember what I ordered or what my customizations were, and I wanted to make sure that I didn't pick one that I later regretted it, but we're all good. So go ahead and show you that. I did take out the candle already. It smells really good. It smells very perfumey. This is what it looks like. It smells like very flowery, if that's how I would describe it. It's called White Cactus. I'm very excited to turn this on, but I haven't yet. But today seems like the perfect day because it's kind of like rainy and stormy outside, so it's good. I actually went to go eat by myself. I usually do that on Fridays sometimes just to take a quiet minute to myself, relax. And it started raining while I was in there, and I was only in there for 15 or 30 minutes. And then it was raining pretty hard, and I was like, oh no, how am I going to get to my car? And then I just walked over there. And of course, the rain stopped right after I got to my car, but now it's raining again, so we'll see. Alright, so this is the box that I got. This is what it looks like. Looks like it's travel themed. And then when you open the box, it was wrapped up really nice, but then I unwrapped it. I'm sorry, y'all. But this is what the... See, I kind of wishing I had gone the green one, just because I feel like it goes better with my outfits. But I ended up choosing the blue one. Maybe someone will trade with me. But it just comes with this little box, and it's like, what's in my box? And then it tells you. I am a little bit disappointed that it comes with only 6 items. I was kind of like expecting more, but I don't know. First off, we have this recovery oil. I don't think I'm even going to take it out of the wrapping just because I don't think I'm going to be using this. It has evening primrose, argan, and jojoba, which soften the appearance of lines and strengthen moisture barrier. Geranium and borage oils balance the appearance of skin. Avocado and camellia oils condition and soften. Grapeseed and rosehip oils improve skin's elasticity and protect against radical damage. I don't know if I'm going to even open that because I already have some other oils that I would like to try. So yeah, and then that was, I believe that was $84, like the price of it. Yeah, it is, yeah, $82. So that's the retail price of that. Then the next thing they have here is the candle. And it smells really good. I wouldn't say it's too fall, like it's nothing like pumpkin or spices or Thanksgiving-y, but it smells very fresh, very like something I would buy just year round because I like it. It smells really good. And this one I believe was $34. Let me see. It was $35. And then the next thing we have is the known supply bag. It is cute. I like the color. I haven't opened this. This is the first time I'm opening it. This is what it kind of looks like. It's not super big. Kind of have a few others like it. I might sell it. They did say that you could find the name tag of who made it and like the story of the person, so that's kind of cool. This was made in India by Rafik Nadaf, and then I can learn more about him or her online. It's well made. It's lined. It feels like good stitching, good material. It's just a duffel bag, if I'm being honest. I don't know. I wasn't super excited about the stuff in Causebox this time around, but I did. I mean, I am a member, have a membership, whatever it is. So, and I already skipped the summer box because I wasn't digging it. So, then the next, that price is It is $108. That seems kind of expensive for a cloth, not really super known duffel bag, but I don't know. I don't think I would buy it on my own. It's a super good thing that they're doing though. And alright. The other thing, I got the wallet. So this is what it looks like. I have not opened it yet, so this is the first time I'm opening it. I would open the recovery oil, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to sell it. So, and it just says Glass Ladder & Co. Like so. And then you open it up, and it looks like this. I think this is great. I'm definitely going to keep this. This is probably what I was most excited about, simply because I needed a passport holder. I didn't have one, and I needed one. And it's cute. It kind of matches me. I like it. So I will probably just keep my passport in here, and then just whenever I travel, just take it with me. I do wish I had said something like passport or like something in gold. I wish we could put her name, you know, like Andrea. Alright, so moving on to the next thing, because this video is already getting long. Oh, that one costs, oh my god, why is this so hard? That one was $108 value? That seems wrong. That seems real wrong. But okay. Okay. Then the next thing is these brushes. I almost don't want to unwrap this simply because I'm not wanting to keep them. But I'll unwrap them so y'all can see. I don't really use a lot of makeup anymore. There was a time where I used to wear a lot of makeup, but I kind of stopped. So I probably will either gift these or sell them. The wrapping is nice. I don't know about, I'm a leather person, so all this vegan leather is like not for me, you know. They are super nice, so maybe I will keep them. They are super nice, super pretty, and they feel really soft. Not gonna lie, they feel really super soft. I might keep this and then just donate or give the other ones that I have away, just because these will probably be easier to take with me. I'm not feeling the what is it called, the fake leather, but then again, I'm a leather person, and this is what it looks like, just so y'all can see. And it comes in nice paper, and the pricing for this one was $24 for the brushes. And then the last thing is this little necklace here. That's a blue thing on that. What's that? Oh, okay. This looks like this, and it's silver. When I was looking online at the pictures of the model wearing it, I definitely liked the silver one on the model more than I liked the gold one, even though I usually wear more gold. And also, I thought this was shorter, but like, maybe you can make it like a choker. Definitely not. Ooh. Just trying to choke myself on camera, but whatever. This is cute. I don't really have any silver jewelry, so it's good that I got it in silver. Kind of looks cheaply made, not gonna lie. Maybe I would have liked the gold more. I don't know. Silver, sometimes if it's not done right, it can look cheap. But yeah, I might also turn it into a bracelet. But the thing about this one is that I'm not crazy about is that when you loop this through, it's not like it has like a thing that stops it from going back in. You know what I'm saying? It's just a bar. So it could easily slip off your neck or slip off something else. So that is it. I Oh yeah, in the postcard, if you're wondering, this is what mine looked like. And it's just like they're at an airport. It's cute. It's cute. This Causebox, I'm gonna say I was disappointed. I'm excited about the candle. I'm excited about the passport holder. The duffel bag. I already have so many that look just like that. The brushes, they look, at least the holder, the brush holder looks cheap. This necklace, it looks cheap to me. It looks like it's gonna tarnish. The oil, I'm not sure, except probably won't keep it. What else was there? And I think that's it, because there were only 6 items in here. I honestly wasn't too excited about this box. Regardless, it's a good cause. It's something to look forward to that maybe you wouldn't buy yourself normally. So, you know, well, yeah. Those are my thoughts and opinions. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a like or comment, either one or both, if you're feeling snazzy. Thanks for watching.